Here are 20 plus ways others have stopped their hiccups. 1. Slow, measured breathing. Breathe in for a count of 5 and out for a count of 5. 2. Hold your breath for about 10 to 20 seconds, then breathe out slowly. Repeat. 3. Breathe into a paper bag. 4. Sit down and hug your knees. Hold them there for 2 minutes. 5. Compress your chest, lean or bend forward to put pressure on your diaphragm. 6. Exhale while pinching your nose and keeping your mouth closed. 7. Pull on your tongue. 8. Press on your diaphragm, apply pressure to the area just below the end of your sternum. 9. Squeeze your nose closed while swallowing water. 10. Squeeze your palm. 11. Massage your cartoid artery. 12. Drink ice water. 13. Drink from the opposite side of the glass. 14. Slowly drink a glass of warm water without breathing. 15. Drink water through a cloth or paper towel. 16. Suck on an ice cube. 17. Gargle ice water for 30 seconds. 18. Eat a spoonful of honey or peanut butter. 19. Eat some sugar, let it sit on your tongue for 5 to 10 seconds. 20. Suck on a lemon. 21. Put a drop of vinegar on your tongue. 22. Rub the back of your neck. 23. Poke the back of your throat with a cotton swab until you gag or cough. Subscribe now for more answers from whyguy.com.